Oh no. I'm a nasty little soup truck. Because none of my wheels will steer. You know what I mean?
God, I call my bedroom the
Whoa!
because Antigone is always there.
No! I'm telling. What's the way, Josh?
I love life. Chock full of friendship.
Chalk?
If you would have made charity jokes,
Charity is nothing to joke about.
Group of menus walk into a bar and have Maddie on the menu because she's a snack.
Okay.
Oh.
Boo.
Okay, whatever.
Boo.
My nickname is Shift Project Space Foam because suffocating.
Let's see.
I know I'm doing terrible right now.
No,
Yep.
same.
If you're currently losing, might I see?
Go, Josh.
My nickname is Shift Project Spacer Foam because when around books, I'm 5 inches.
Oh.
I feel bad.
exactly where my mind would have gone if I got that joke.
Yeah.
A group of menus walk into a bar and ask for 17 seats at a Chili's.
Yikes.
You know what? This game does not make me feel good about myself.
My family is like auntie.
You spend all day being
It
funny.
feels like they're always breathing down my neck.
Yikes.
That's a good one.
Oh my god! You know, I could screenshot this shit and really, like...
Yeah, if the one I made about Antigone got shot out, I think I would get fired.
There's a lot of things we say that we get fired.
My grandma said the best thing about office parties is Josh making out with someone new.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Jesus Christ! No, I'm not gonna vote for that.
Aw.
Cody, that was supposed to be secret.
What do you mean secret? You're telling everybody.
Bunch of...
My love life is like Josh. Sad.
Yikes.
Wait, but it's literally, it's almost the same punchline.
To do with
This
anything.
is so mean!
I can't wait.
I voted for you, Josh. Don't worry.
It's time to
DoorDash
find
is
out
here.
who rose to the top.
I'm last. Oh, I'm not last?
Actually,
Oh!
Alright, but who's the real winner?
you may have won the game, but
You.
yeah. And you be a winner if you've lost so much.
At least I'm not sad,
Real
you know.
I was last place? I'm gonna kill myself.
you lost to me. You lost to me.
Hunter's the least funniest.
Have you know that my mom says I'm hilarious, so I'm okay.
What are we doing?
Yeah, well, I'm rubber and
Scribbler?
blue.
Julia.
Yeah.